All right, today I wanted to talk about Scrench design. So I go through a lot of bar and chain swap outs. So with these old ones, particularly with the captured nuts, when I use this Scrench, I run into that a lot. And I gotta, if I position the saw right on the edge, then I can spin it like that. And these old nuts sometimes, I don't know, it's just kind of with my hand, this gives me a little added help. And I like to use it, but I don't like to use it because the way the design is makes it cumbersome. That is just cumbersome to me. So I came up with a better design because I don't need this to be, 6 inches long or whatever to get out of the way from that. So I'm going to try something different. I got a bunch of these anyway. Okay, I got the welder out, but I want to be able to spin this easier. So I'm going to cut this thing off first. Let's do that. All right. I'm going to get this little thing off of the end of that on the grinder. You won't see that. Okay. I ground the little end off of this. And now I'm going to put this thing in the vise and I'm going to run it through here. And I just got to measure to make sure it's going to do what I want it to do and I don't have to cut it. I am going to cut this thing a little bit because I want to make sure it's not going to. So the idea is I'm going to spin this thing with this, and I don't want to hit the deck. Let's see what we can see. All right, I think you can see where I'm going with this thing. All right, so there it is. It's basically what I was going for. The welds aren't pretty, but I'm not a welder by trade or even a welder at all. But here's what I'm looking at. Probably already exists, and I just don't even know it, but this thing's going to make my life much easier. And I can, if I use this end, I can actually get some, I can get that as tight as I need to, like that. And I can still use this to tension and untension the chain effectively. So I'm pretty happy with that design.